Hey, Whiskers and Scruffy and Slothers. I gotta go meet Gina at Del Taco. I'll give you dinner when I get back.
This is unacceptable. She always eats whatever she wants and never shares. I am tired of the prison food around here.
Every day it's the same doggone thing.
So true. Every day it's the same sloth darn thing. Kale and twigs. Come on.
Don't worry. I have a plan that will have us stuffing our faces with fat and grease before this evening is over.
Woohoo, that's the ticket.
Yes.
As for me, I'll be eating a juicy burger, salty hot fries, and a drink. The perfect meal.
I want a hot dog dripping with onions, mustard, ketchup, and pickles, and then a crunchy chicken taco or two, and then a pizza with everything.
I want a giant club sandwich and a chocolate milkshake.
Whatever you want.
But how are we going to pull this off? We're locked in here and we don't have any money.
Ha ha. You'll know soon, my friend. What are we having for dessert? For me, I want a scrumptious donut.
Sweet and tasty chocolate chip cookies.
Brownies.
Hi, guys. Ugh, I ate too much too fast and I feel so sick. Why did I do that? Gotta run to the restroom.
Yikes, I'll take a rain check on going out to eat. I'd rather hang out at home.
Me too. As her most loyal companion, I can't leave her when she's sick like this.
Well, I suppose I can tolerate the prison food for one more night, but I'm definitely leaving a review for her on Yelp later.